Want to start investing in mutual funds but don't know where to start? With multiple mutual fund options, choosing the right mutual fund can be overwhelming. Introducing CRISP Scorecard on PhonePe. Consistency, risk, and investment style of the portfolio. CRISP Scorecard is designed to analyze 1000 plus funds and then recommend top mutual fund picks for you. CRISP is built on 3 key pillars. First is consistency. We use 1 year rolling return over a 5-year period to see how a fund actually holds up over time. We rank them as high, medium, or low against their peer. We make it simple to find reliable long-term growth so you can choose a fund you can actually count on. Second is risk. CRISP compares a fund's risk with similar funds and labels it as acceptable or too high, helping investors avoid funds whose returns witness relatively higher ups and downs. Third is the investment style. Here we ascertain what is the style of stock picking followed by the fund manager relative to its peer. We rank the fund as high, medium and low on 3 factors, that is value, quality and momentum. You can use these metrics to diversify your portfolio as per the investment style and followed by your fund. CRISP Scorecard breaks down consistency, risk and style and analyzes from 1000 plus funds and then recommends top picks on PhonePe, helping you understand how a fund performs, the risk it takes and the way it invests, so you can choose mutual funds with clarity and invest with confidence. Invest smartly with CRISP on PhonePe. Check out CRISP top picks and start investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.